So here we are inside the conversion. We have a sink with a double hob burner, bit of TV with Homes Under the Hammer by the look of it, some overhead lockers. We move down, we have the control panel for the temperature and the hot water. We have the tank display, waste and fresh. Keep walking down the van, we have the steps up to the large single bed. Above it is the air vent, and round here we have a storage cupboard with an emergency porta potty for keeping all his coats in gear. If you come back down the van, two more big cupboards for storage. With it is the table so he can eat his dinner. Move down here, we have the fridge, 50 litre fridge and a 20 litre grill. Grill runs off the gas, the fridge off the electric. In here is the cupboards, some cupboard storage. Behind there you'll see is all the water pump and the piping for the sink. Move around the van. The bulkhead at the front, half bulkhead, curtains across. The owner doesn't need the swivel seats. And then we have a large bench seat area. This pulls out into a big double bed, and underneath it you see the vent on the side to give away that underneath there is the Truma boiler controlling the hot water and the hot air. Nice looking conversion, waiting to go off to Scotland and be used for downhill mountain biking.